What if I told you your car's engine is being damaged right now, even if you think you're doing everything right? Modern cars are complex, and hidden issues can slowly choke the life out of your engine, costing you fuel economy and setting you up for expensive repairs. But don't worry, I'm here to reveal 5 overlooked secrets that can rejuvenate your engine, boost performance, and save you thousands. We're going beyond oil changes to what really keeps your car running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Stick around. Secret number 5 is a 5-minute fix that can instantly improve your car's reliability. Grab a notepad and let's get started. Everyone knows to change their oil, but what about your transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid? These fluids do more than lubricate. They cool, clean, and provide hydraulic pressure. When they break down, parts overheat and fail. Here's the secret. Replace these fluids by time, not just mileage. Even if you drive little, fluids degrade and absorb moisture. Old coolant turns acidic, eating away at your radiator and engine. Brake fluid absorbs water, rusting lines from the inside. Transmission fluid loses its ability to lubricate, leading to costly repairs. Power steering fluid gets dirty and wears out pumps and racks. Check your owner's manual, but a good rule is to inspect all fluids yearly and change them based on time or mileage, whichever comes first. Don't be penny-wise and pound-foolish. Fresh fluids are the fountain of youth for your car. Next time you get an oil change, ask about the other fluids. If your mechanic shrugs, find a new one. Besides oil, this is the most important thing you can do to keep your car on the road. Don't neglect them. Your engine, and your wallet, will thank you. Let's move on to the next secret. Your engine needs air as much as fuel. A clogged air filter or blocked airflow system chokes performance and wastes gas. Change your air filter yearly or more often if you drive in dusty conditions. It's a cheap 5-minute job. Don't forget the PCV valve, a tiny part that, if clogged, can cause oil leaks and expensive damage. Replace it every 30,000, 40,000 miles. The EGR system recirculates exhaust to reduce emissions, but carbon buildup can clog it, causing rough idling and check engine lights. Have EGR systems cleaned every 40,000, 50,000 miles, especially on diesels or direct injection engines. Remember, clean air filter, working PCV valve, and clear EGR passages. That's the airflow trifecta. Don't make your engine run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Keep these parts clean, and you'll notice better power and fuel economy. Simple but critical for long-term engine health. Ready for the next secret? Let's talk fuel. On to the next one. Clean air and fluids are great, but your engine also needs a healthy fuel system. The fuel filter traps dirt and rust. If it clogs, your fuel pump works harder and can fail, starving your engine. On older cars, change the fuel filter every 30,000 miles. On newer cars, it's often built into the pump, but always use quality gas to minimize gunk. Fuel injectors can clog with carbon, causing rough idle and poor mileage. Use a fuel system cleaner with PE every few thousand miles as prevention. If injectors are already clogged, professional cleaning is the only real fix. Do this every 50,000, 60,000 miles for best results. Premium fuel? Only use it if your car requires it. If it says premium required, don't risk engine damage by using regular. Don't try to save a few cents and risk a costly repair. A healthy fuel system means smooth power and efficiency. Take care of it and your engine will thank you. Now let's talk about your car's electronics. The next secret is all about sensors and connections. Your car is a rolling computer relying on sensors to keep everything running smoothly. The mass airflow sensor, MAF, measures incoming air. If it's dirty, your engine runs lean and loses power. Clean it yearly with MAF cleaner. Never touch the wires. Oxygen sensors monitor exhaust gases. When they get lazy, your fuel economy drops and the check engine light comes on. Replace them around 100,000 miles. The foundation of your electrical system, the battery and its connections. Corroded battery terminals choke off electricity, causing weird electrical problems and hard starts. Keep terminals shiny and tight for reliable power to all your sensors and modules. A clean electrical system means fewer headaches and better performance. Don't ignore these simple checks. They're easy and make a big difference. Up next, the fastest fix of all. Let's wrap up with a 5-minute job that can save you hundreds. Ready? Here it is, the final secret. The easiest, fastest fix? Clean your battery terminals. Corrosion on the posts blocks electricity, causing no starts and weird electrical issues. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Use a wire brush and baking soda paste to scrub away corrosion. Rinse, dry, and reconnect. Positive first, then negative. Make sure connections are tight. For extra protection, use battery terminal spray or a dab of petroleum jelly. This 5-minute job can instantly improve starting, lighting, and overall reliability. Don't overlook it. Many dead cars just need clean terminals. It's the ultimate quick win for your car's health. Now, let's bring it all together. Here's how to keep your engine running strong for years. Let's recap: fresh fluids, clear airflow, a healthy fuel system, working sensors, and clean battery terminals. These are the secrets to a long-lasting engine. Don't just watch, take action. Check your fluids, air filter, and battery this weekend. Small steps make a big difference. If this helped, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more real-world car care advice. You don't need to be a mechanic, just a smart owner. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more car care hacks. Your engine's future starts right now.